Hi, I'm Tommaso from easyreporting.io. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Analytics account. Ready to get started?
All right, here we are in our Google Analytics account. This is our test account, but we want to create a new one. So let's go to admin and then click on here, create account on the top left. In case you don't have an account already, it's even easier. You just go to analytics.google.com and you will see here basically the same screen that I'm seeing right now. So I'm going to create the account name. The account is the more general part of your analytics account. And basically inside the account, you can have different properties that usually stand for apps or websites. So I'm going to call my account test. I'm going to select everything here because I want to sell my soul to Google, but please check every time what you want to select and what not. Then clicking on next, I can start deciding my property name. So as I said before, the account is more general, and then each property represents a specific part of your business. In my case, I'm going to put, for example, easyreporting.io. This is the name of the website that I want to track. And in reporting time zone, you can select whatever you want. Important step here, you can click on show advanced options. And this is going to allow you to create a universal analytics property. This is basically the old version of Google Analytics. And for some specific uses, it's more stable. Doesn't have a lot of features that were implemented in the new version, but especially if you have an e-commerce, I suggest you at least create a new one now and then decide which one you want to use mainly. But right now I'm going to input the website URL that I want to track, and it's the same as Easy Reporting. And I will select create both a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property. And I also want to have enhanced measurement. So I'm going to click next. And then here Google just wants to know more information about you so that they can basically benchmark you against other things. I'm going to put random stats in here, and then I'm going to create my account. Again, you need to sign your soul to Google. Actually, in my case, I'm in Portugal, not in the US. So just going to do this. And here we go. Just sold it right now. And this screen you'll see here is the screen that tells you how to install the Google Analytics account that you just created. Make sure that, be aware, this is the Google Analytics 4, not the Universal Analytics that we saw before. And you can recognize this also because there is a G here at the beginning of this measurement ID. Otherwise, you would see UA and then dash random numbers and not random letters. Did you enjoy this video? Well, you can like, subscribe, and share it with anyone that might find it helpful. Also on easyreporting.io, there is a lot more content on website analytics and reporting. Go give a look. I'll see you in the next video.